You're right guys, so there's a question that pops up on the internet, all over social media, this time of the year. I've got mould on my barbecue, how do I get rid of it? And it couldn't be any more simpler. All you need is some tin foil, a lot of heat, and just some gloves. So I've bought welding gloves because they're just really handy for jobs like this where you've got to get right in there while it's really hot for an extended period of time. I have got barbecue gloves, but these are good. They're cheap, they're leather, they go all the way up your arm. Perfect for this sort of job. Let's show you how to get rid of this mould. Let's go. So all we're going to do, get the charcoal in, put the grates in, shut the lid. Bottom vent is fully open, and I'll just crack just under half for the top vent. That's it. We're just going to heat it up first, get it nice and hot, and then we'll give it a little rub down with the tin foil, and that is as simple as it gets. So literally all you do, scrunch it up into a loose ball and then just use it like a brush. Now please do not use the thin wire brushes. If you use a thin wire brush and some of those little fine thin wires snap and you grill up a steak or something like that, if anyone swallows it, you could be in a whole world of trouble. So now we've got a nice bit of heat. Get your glove on. Also, while doing this, be very careful not to be breathing in the spores from that. So there you go guys, it really is that simple. You just need heat and tin foil. When you're in the UK, you tend to get a really bad winter. I mean, now it's quite cold, as you can see. With that being said, hope you liked the video, hope you got something out of it. It's just simple stuff. With our weather, we just do not get the chance to grill as much as many people do, especially in the US. We don't get that great weather all year round. I know there are some states in America that we really get bad weather, but it just happens, it really does. So it's as simple as that. And remember, go cook something exceptional, and I'll see you when I see you. Cheers. Is that recording? Oh, thank God it was, yeah. Oh God. Whoop.